Hello everyone. So here we are making our Science Week rocket craft. So for this you'll need an empty plastic soft drink bottle, reasonably big but not too big, and soft drink works better because the bottles are a little bit more solid than say a water bottle or something. A length of old garden hose or tubing or something like that. Make sure you get a grown-up to help you with that. I didn't get a grown-up to help me with that, so look what I did. Alright, what else shall we need? We'll need a marker, sticky tape, paper to build our rocket out of. Now we're building it out of paper because it needs to be nice and light, but it's not super thin paper. It's a little bit thicker, but it's not as thick as card. And then the last thing you will need is some stronger tape than just the sticky tape. All right, so the first thing we need to do is we'll get a bit of paper like this, and then we'll roll it around the end of our hose or tubing so that the rocket is about the same size, a little bit bigger than the tubing. So roll it up, and then we'll tighten it up around. Okay, once it's about the right size so that the tube fits in there nice and snugly, you want to make sure that the tube, that your rocket stays that size. So we'll tape up along here with sticky tape. Now we've got our rocket, our tube, so now we need something to make a nose cone. So we need something nice and round, not the moon, but the little base that the moon goes on. That's what I'll be using, but you can use your roll of duct tape or sticky tape or something else that's round, maybe a cup. And we just want a half circle. I'm going to use this darker paper now. And now we'll cut it out. Then what you can do with your half circle is you can roll it up into a nose cone like that, and then attach it. I'll tape it on to the end of your rocket. First you want to make sure you tape it into a cone shape like that. There we go. And then attach it to the end of your rocket. A bit more solidly than I have. So now we need some fins for down the bottom. So I'll use some more of this black paper. You need to cut out little triangles. Let's say we'll make them about that long to go at the bottom. And you need 3 of them, and they will be attached on the bottom of the rocket here. Alright, we have a little rocket, a nice light paper rocket. So you can put other decorations on, like windows or flags or stripes. I might do a little bit of drawing with my marker on it, see what I can do. But before we do that, I think it's time we work out how to send it into space. So for that, we need our bottle. Now, we get the other end of our tubing or hose, and we want to attach it so that there's no air that can escape outside the sides. It might be that the tubing that you're using or the hose fits inside the bottle perfectly and no air, but mine's a little bit too small, so that's where the duct tape comes in. So I'll wrap it round and round and round and round so no air can escape out, and I'll show you why later. All right, I think that's ready to go. No air going to escape out there, so we'll go outside and give it a go. So what you've got to do, after you've got your bottle attached and no air can escape, you arrange it. I've arranged it on a milk crate here so that the other end of the hose points up, and you pop your rocket nice and snugly over the top, and then you stamp down really hard on the bottle. Let's see what happens. That went pretty far. Now once you've launched your rocket and you want to have another go, but your bottle's all deflated, what you can do is blow on the other end of the tube, make sure it's clean, and it should reinflate the bottle. Just like that.